To get started, remove the water container, discard any water and remove the filter. Dissolve your descaling solution in 1 litre of warm water and stir until completely dissolved. Pour this water into your water container and place back onto the Sage Barista Express as normally. Remove the portafilter and replace a large container underneath to catch all the water that will drain through. Now turn on the machine and wait for it to warm up. We'll first start a manual extraction as you would when you make a cup of coffee. Press and hold the 1 cup so we get the descaling solution flowing through the machine. Now repeat this process until about half the water remains in the water container. Now we move on to the hot water dispenser. Turn on the water dispenser so the descaling solution flows through these pots and repeat this until about 50% of the remaining water is used. Now perform this task with the steam wand and repeat until nearly all the descaling solution has been used. Great! We've descaled the machine, but now we must rinse with fresh, clean water. Remove the water container and discard any descaling solution that remains. Rinse out the water container a few times with fresh cold water and then fill up and put back on the machine. Now we'll start the same process as we did with the descaling solution, but with clean fresh water to ensure we flush out all the descaling solution from the machine. As before, do a manual extraction until you go through about half the water. Then flush the water through the water dispenser with about half the remaining water, and then flush out the steam wand with the rest. Replace the filter inside the water container, fill up with fresh cold water, and then replace on the machine. And that's it! Your Sage Barista Express has now been descaled and flushed, ready for your next amazing cup of coffee. You'll find some links in the description for some low-cost descaling powder which you can buy from Amazon.